In the world of stock markets, there is a special segment known as futures and options, or F&O. This is where fortunes can be made quickly through high-risk, high-reward bets. It is a place for speculation, rapid growth, and sometimes spectacular wins. Today, if there is one real estate market in India that mirrors this high-energy environment, it is Gurugram. The city has transformed into the country's real estate powerhouse, attracting massive investment and delivering returns that are hard to ignore. It is a market that moves at lightning speed, much like a trending stock, where everyone wants a piece of the action before the prices climb even higher. The comparison to F&O is not just a catchy phrase, it truly captures the essence of what is happening in Gurugram. Just as traders analyze market trends to predict the next big move, real estate investors are closely watching Gurugram's every development. The potential for quick and substantial gains is immense, drawing in savvy buyers who understand the dynamics of a booming market. The city's property landscape is not for the faint of heart. It is for those who see opportunity in rapid urbanization and are willing to invest in the promise of future growth, much like a speculator buying a call option on a promising company. This market is defined by its aggressive expansion and the sheer scale of its projects. Developers are not just building apartments, they are creating entire ecosystems. These integrated townships come complete with schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and recreational facilities, offering a lifestyle that appeals to the modern Indian family. This forward-thinking approach has created a self-sustaining cycle of demand. As more people move in for the jobs and lifestyle, the demand for high-quality housing grows, pushing property values up and attracting even more investment. It is a high-stakes game, but one that is paying off handsomely for those who got in early. The key players in this market are not just traditional home buyers. A significant portion of the demand comes from high-net-worth individuals, non-resident Indians, and senior professionals working in the city's numerous multinational corporations. These buyers are not just looking for a place to live, they are making strategic investments. They are drawn by the city's modern infrastructure, its status as a corporate hub, and the potential for significant appreciation in property values. This influx of sophisticated investors has added another layer of dynamism to the market, fueling the demand for luxury and ultra-luxury properties that offer world-class amenities and a premium living experience. The story of Gurugram's real estate dominance is best told through its staggering numbers. The market is not just growing, it is exploding. In 2024, housing sales in the city reached a monumental 1.07 lakh crore rupees, a massive 66% jump from the previous year. This surge is a clear indicator of the immense confidence that buyers and investors have in Gurugram's future. The market is witnessing a fundamental shift, with fewer but much larger and more valuable projects being launched. In 2024 alone, new project launches were valued at nearly 88,000 crore rupees, almost double the value from 2023, showing that developers are betting big on the city. Price appreciation has been nothing short of spectacular. Under construction properties in particular have seen their values soar. In 2024, prices for these properties in Gurugram rose by an average of 55%, a rate of growth that has left other major Indian cities far behind. In some of the most sought-after micro-markets, prices have nearly doubled within a year. The weighted average sales price across the Delhi NCR region has climbed to 12,469 rupees per square foot, with Gurugram's luxury segment leading this upward trend. This rapid price growth is a powerful magnet for investors seeking strong returns on their capital. What is particularly interesting is the concentration of this boom in the luxury segment. Gurugram has firmly established itself as the capital of luxury living in the National Capital Region. An astonishing 87% of all luxury projects launched in the NCR in 2024 were located in Gurugram. This shows a clear preference among affluent buyers for spacious, well-appointed homes with premium finishes and exclusive amenities. Developers like DLF, Signature Global, Godrej Properties, and M3M India are at the forefront of this trend, launching iconic projects that are redefining the standards of urban living in India and selling out within days, sometimes even hours of their launch. The momentum is set to continue, with an incredible pipeline of new projects on the horizon. It is estimated that projects worth around 1 lakh crore rupees are scheduled to be launched in Gurugram in the next 6 months alone. This includes approximately 25,000 new residential units, which will further add to the city's rapidly expanding housing stock. Despite this massive supply, demand remains robust. More than 60% of the total real estate inventory in the NCR has already been sold, indicating that buyers are snapping up properties as soon as they become available. This healthy balance of supply and demand is a sign of a mature and sustainable market. A city's real estate market can only grow as fast as its supporting infrastructure, and this is where Gurugram has a decisive advantage. The government's focus on enhancing connectivity has been a game changer for the region. The recent completion of the 18.9-kilometer Dwarka Expressway in 2024 is a prime example. This modern marvel of engineering has not only reduced travel time between Delhi and Gurugram, but has also unlocked the development potential of the entire corridor. Areas along the expressway have witnessed a massive surge in real estate activity, with both residential and commercial property values appreciating significantly, making it one of the most promising investment zones in the country. Beyond the expressways, the planned expansion of the metro network is set to further boost connectivity within the city and across the NCR. A well-connected public transport system is crucial for a thriving metropolis, as it makes daily commutes easier and reduces reliance on private vehicles. The upcoming metro lines will connect new and emerging residential hubs to the city's commercial centers, making these areas more attractive to homebuyers and renters alike. This strategic focus on transit-oriented development is a smart move that will ensure Gurugram's growth is both sustainable and inclusive, creating vibrant communities where people can live, work, and play with ease. Gurugram's status as a premier corporate destination is another critical pillar of its real estate success. The city is home to the headquarters of numerous Fortune 500 companies, major IT and ITS firms, and leading financial institutions. This strong corporate presence creates a constant demand for high-quality housing from the thousands of professionals who move to the city for work. These individuals, often with high disposable incomes, seek premium living spaces that match their lifestyle aspirations. This symbiotic relationship between the corporate and real estate sectors creates a virtuous cycle of growth, where job creation fuels housing demand, which in turn attracts more companies. The confidence of developers and investors is also bolstered by a stable and transparent regulatory environment. The implementation of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, or RERA, has brought much-needed accountability to the sector, protecting the interests of homebuyers and increasing their trust in developers. Furthermore, forward-looking policies like the upcoming Master Plan of Delhi 2041 are expected to provide a clear roadmap for future development. This long-term vision, combined with proactive infrastructure planning and strong economic fundamentals, creates a secure and predictable environment for real estate investment, making Gurugram a preferred destination for big-ticket capital. For decades, Mumbai has held the undisputed title of India's property powerhouse. However, Gurugram is now mounting a serious challenge to this long-standing hierarchy. The Millennium City offers something that Mumbai is increasingly short on: space. Gurugram's vast land bank allows for the development of large-scale, meticulously planned townships and integrated projects that are simply not feasible in the land-constrained island city. This enables developers to offer more spacious homes, abundant green areas, and a wider array of modern amenities, which are highly valued by today's homebuyers. While Mumbai struggles with redevelopment and regulatory hurdles, Gurugram is building the future from the ground up. The price dynamics also tell a compelling story. While Mumbai's real estate market is known for its sky-high prices, Gurugram is rapidly closing the gap, especially in the luxury segment. The per square foot rates for high-end residential properties in prime locations in Gurugram are now becoming comparable to those in some of Mumbai's most elite neighborhoods. This indicates a significant shift in how investors perceive the value and potential of Gurugram's market. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for the superior lifestyle, modern infrastructure, and world-class facilities that Gurugram offers, making it a direct competitor to Mumbai for luxury property investment. The buyer profile in Gurugram is also evolving, solidifying its position as a top-tier market. The city is attracting a diverse mix of affluent buyers, including successful entrepreneurs, C-suite executives, and a growing number of non-resident Indians who see it as a safe and lucrative place to park their funds. These discerning buyers are looking for more than just a home. They are investing in a global lifestyle. The demand is for properties that offer exclusivity, security, and a sense of community. This influx of wealthy and sophisticated investors is driving the market towards greater maturity and creating a robust ecosystem for premium and luxury real estate to thrive. Looking ahead, the future of Gurugram's real estate market appears exceptionally bright. The combination of strong economic growth, continuous infrastructure development, a pro-business environment, and a growing population of affluent professionals creates a perfect storm for sustained growth. The city has successfully created a brand for itself, one that stands for modernity, opportunity, and a high quality of life. As it continues to evolve and expand, Gurugram is not just participating in India's growth story, it is actively writing the next chapter. For anyone looking to invest in the future of Indian real estate, all signs point north, directly towards this unstoppable powerhouse.